Hey everyone, it is time for unboxing the print package from the Fab Clique Fabric Shoppe. We have a monthly subscription service. It's $35. You get 3 yards of mystery fabric every month. $35 includes the shipping, so that's fantastic. But let's take a look. I just cut this open and I love me some argyle. You guys have no idea how much I love argyle. I've been obsessed with it since I was like 14 years old. Ooh, this is like a thermal print. Oh, this is gorgeous and so soft. I'd rub it all over my face, but it's white and I have makeup on and that would be terrible. But can you guys take a look at the print? If you can see the texture, it's like a micro thermal, but it's like so much softer than any thermal I've ever had before. Oh, this is gorgeous. You guys would love this. I hope there's more in stock for you. But really, pick up the Fab Clique print package because it's just fun. Who doesn't love to get surprise fabric in the mail? I had no idea what I was getting and I am excited. Last month was a burnout leopard print and it's gorgeous and it's fun. I mean, I've already loved their solid subscriptions for forever and this is even better. We've got prints now, so go check it out. There's links in the description for my affiliate link, so you can grab that. Check out the Facebook group and you can see what everybody is making with their print package fabrics. And I will follow this up with a sneak peek at what I made. Okay, real quick before I go, double check your package before you close because before you throw things away, because there was this little package in here and I wasn't even paying attention to that. I did that last month too. It was kind of sad. But first you get a swatch because you know they have the FABtastic Swatch Club, so you can add this to your collection. You can have it on hand, that way if this is on your shelf and you don't want to pull it out and you need to see if this is the right work for the project you're going to work on, you're going to have your swatch there. And check this out. Can you see it? Check this out. It's a bracelet with a little sewing machine on it. How cute is this? So little surprises inside the print package. Definitely check them before you throw your package away. Before you hop away, drop down to the video description to sign up for my newsletter and receive this frog coin pouch pattern for free.